Hi there. Welcome to our session on Oracle Database. In this session, we will learn about basic properties of Oracle Database and see installation of Oracle 11 grams database on Windows operating system. Before proceeding to installation, let's learn something about Oracle Database. Oracle Database is a relational database management system. It is known as Oracle Database, Oracle DB, or simply Oracle. It is produced and marketed by Oracle Corporation. Oracle Database is the first database designed for enterprise grid computing. The enterprise grid computing provides the most flexible and cost-effective way to manage information and applications. Let's see different editions of Oracle Database. There are 4 editions of Oracle Database. They are: Enterprise Edition. It is the most robust and secure edition. It offers all features, including superior performance and security. Standard Edition. It provides the base functionality for users that do not require Enterprise Edition's robust package. Express Edition, XE. It is the lightweight, free and limited Windows and Linux edition. And Oracle Lite. It is designed for mobile devices. Now let's see how to install Oracle Database. I will show you how to get Oracle Database from its official website and install it. Watch the video carefully. Now let's see how to create table in Oracle Database. In Oracle, create table statement is used to create a new table in the database. To create a table, you have to name that table and define its columns and data type for each column. You can see the syntax on your screen. Let's create a table on Oracle database. See the example carefully. A primary key is a single field or combination of fields that contains a unique record. It must be filled. None of the field of primary key can contain a null value. A table can have only one primary key. Now let's see create table using as command. The create table as statement is used to create a table from an existing table by copying the columns of existing table. You can see the syntax of it on your screen. Let's understand it with an example. Watch the example carefully. Now let's see alter table statement in Oracle. In Oracle, alter table statement specifies how to add, modify, drop or delete columns in a table. It is also used to rename a table. Let's understand it with an example. Watch the example carefully. Hope you liked the video. We will get to know more topics in our upcoming sessions. Till then, thank you.